It's not just the village people. Ever wondered who has got your back when buying a house? Spoiler alert, it's not just your village people. Dear future homeowner, you know that feeling when you are about to drop some serious cash on a property and your heart beating faster than Naira notes in a borrowed change? Well, let me tell you, due diligence in real estate is like having a squad of superheroes to save you from making a costly mistake. Assume you are not alone in this house hunting adventure. You've got a whole team working harder than Lagos traffic to make sure you don't end up with a fancy looking shack. First up, there's the real estate agent. Think of them as a property paparazzi, digging up all the juicy details about that house you have been eyeing. Then comes the lawyer, your personal shield against those tricky legal jargon monsters. They will make sure you don't accidentally sign away your firstborn. And don't forget the home inspector. This eagle-eyed pro will spot issues faster than your mama spots a dirty corner in your room. They will tell you if that dream house is actually a nightmare in disguise. The appraiser is like that brutally honest friend who tells you if you are overpaying. Trust me, you need this friend. The surveyor. They are basically the property's personal tailor, measuring every inch to make sure that what you see is what you get. No more fence jumping neighbors. Lastly, the title company. They are like CSI for house investigation, investigating your soon-to-be home if it has a shady past. No surprise owners popping up after you've moved in. So, next time you are thinking of buying property, remember, due diligence isn't just a fancy term, it's just your ticket to avoiding real estate disaster. Don't let your dream home turn into a nightmare. Let's chat and make your property dreams come true. No juju required. What's my name again? Aduni. And you're watching landproperty.ng. Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this page. Also, you can call us or send a WhatsApp message on the number you are seeing on your screen.